Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to see when you started following someone on Instagram. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first one is the sort tool. Now, to go ahead and go to the sort tool, just go ahead over to your profile right here. Now, tap on following or the following tab. And then what you do basically in here is just go ahead and tap on the sorting option right here. Sort to latest or earliest. So select one option, and then as you can see here, this one is the earliest person I followed. So you won't be able to see the date right here, but at least you have an idea, okay, who you followed first. All right. So the latest persons will be at the very bottom since we have filtered it to earliest or sorted it to earliest. Now, another option is by going to the DM section. And if you have been DMing this first person for a long time, you can often find a timestamp icon or anchor. So open the DM thread with the user. And then what you do basically scroll all the way up until you find the very first chat with this person. And sometimes right above your first message, Instagram often generates an automated gray text line that reads, "You followed each other on this date." And those are the ways to see when you started following someone on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.